Welcome to my channel, DHYUTI'S World of Cooking.
If you like my channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's have tasty times ahead with DHYUTI'S World of Cooking. Hi guys, today we are making a very interesting video. It's about aquascaping. I'm sure that most of you must be having a fish tank at home or must be intending to buy one. So let's start about it. So all you need to do is or need to have is a tank. It can be a small one or it can be a bigger one, as comfortable to you. So as you can see here, we have taken a small tank about 2.5 liters capacity and just added a bit of gravel, about 2 layers of gravel, of colored gravel, that is yellow and black. Added some colored stones and added a live plant to the small tank, and we have added the fishes. The fish is called as morph. It's a very easy to keep fish, just like guppies. So as you can see, we have added a light into the tank that's making it even more attractive, and it's kept on a small table. So it's a very good sight to behold, and it's a very nice idea. I'm sure that you must have liked it. And here's another tank. Here also we have just added some black gravel and some fine looking white stones and gold fishes. We have also added a white light to make the aquarium look even more beautiful. Please do try out this idea of aquascaping.